It's like diamond-studded body, a dazzling knowledge incarnate that Lalit was, that Laleshwari was. Yanik ambar puritane. She says that I have decorated my body with the knowledge. I have kept the knowledge as if one's clothing is like a diamond-studded cloth. Her body is full of knowledge. She emits knowledge. She emits these like sparks. Ambar we can translate as sparks, knowledge sparks. Yum padlali deptim hriday. Accept these knowledge sparks. Karin pranavikilai kurlale. Karin, the Supreme Lord of Pranava. Pranava is the celestial sound. Laikur Lale. She has got lost in this Pranava. She has got absorbed in this Pranava with the grace of Lord. Syat Jot Kasan Marninsha. Now she is not scared of death. She is fearless because the true knowledge has dawned upon her. She has this knowledge spark studded body. Gyan ki ambar puritane yum padlalidatyum hridya. Karin pranavikilai korlale. Syat jot kasn marninshan. Grat chui feran zere zere. I wish I can play the rhythm track because that looks too good. I enjoy that. Grat chui feran zere zere. Gratuchi feran zere zere. Ahu kui zane grat kui chal. Ahu kui zane grat kui chal. Grat yel feri tai zarul mere. Grat yel feri tai zarul mere. Guat panai grat bal. Guat panai grat bal. Grat chi feran zere zere. Grat chi feran zere zere. Ahu koi zane grat koi chal. Ahu kui zane grat kui chal. Grat yel feri tai zavul nere. Guvat panai grat bal. Guvat panai grat bal. Grat chi feran zere zere. Grat chi feran zere zere. Grat is a treadmill and it's gradually being used. It's revolving gradually. Ahu kui zani grat kui sal. The secrets of this treadmill is known to the stick in the center. He is aware where from it will move and touch the end. Gradually peritai zervilnere. When this treadmill will revolve gradually, it will give you the fine powdered floor. Then whatever activity is going on, Guvachapane Grattabal. This is the process. She is correlating with her own sadhana, the spiritual practice, that you have to be very cautious, alert and aware, so that the process should give the best of result. And the best of result is that Nada Brahma, that resonating pranava, omkara, or whatever sound you think Nada Brahma is. There are 10 types of nadas which inspire one to realize the celestial sound within. She says, Guyelvat gratbal, Guvat panai gratbal. When you will practice carefully, gradually, slowly on the path of spirituality, results will be the best. Then that inner sound will reach to the destination, that is grattable. It will reach the destination. Here the grattable is something else. It is to get established within your own self. Gratchi feran zere zere, Gratchi feran zere zere, Ahu kui zane, Grat kui chal, Ahu kui zane, Grat kui chal, Grat yel fertai zagul nere, Grat yel fertai zagul nere, Guvat panai gratbal, Guvat panai gratbal, Gratchi feran zere zere.